Hey everybody, welcome to the OGIGS Library channel. I'm Mrs. Berg, and today we're going to be talking about how to create groups in Google. And this is a really awesome feature that I absolutely love. So essentially, what creating groups will do is it will eliminate you having like 100 tabs open at once. So if you're somebody who utilizes a lot of tabs throughout the day, because you're flipping back and forth between different things, utilizing groups is going to be a really great way to kind of reduce the clutter that you guys have going on when you are working in Google. Before you start making groups, however, the first thing that I want to show you how to do is there's a way where you can actually set Google so that every time you open Google Chrome, it automatically opens all of the tabs that you previously had open the last time you were using it. This is a really great feature, especially as a teacher. I love it because I always open the same tabs every single day. So if that applies to you, then pay attention. I'm going to show you how to turn that function on. So when you're in Google Chrome, you're going to want to open the menu by clicking the little stoplight dots in the upper right hand corner. And then we're going to go to settings. When you go to settings, over here on the left-hand toolbar, you're going to want to click the on startup button. And then on startup, we want to have continue where you left off selected so that every single time you open Google Chrome, it'll open the exact pages that you had opened the last time you were utilizing it, which again, I find super helpful. You, of course, also have the open a specific page or set of pages options that you can play around with as well if that's more of interest to you. But I love continuing where I left off because I always have a lot of tabs open. So once you do that, then we can start kind of making our groups. So I'm just going to open a couple of tabs here, and I'm going to navigate to a couple of different pages. So let's say that I always like to, have our library page open. So maybe I'll go there. Maybe I want to have like Common Sense Media open because I utilize that a lot throughout the day. Maybe another tab that I'll have open is I'll have the Google Skills Shop since I'm working on my Google certification. Okay, so now I can start adding these tabs to different groups. So the way that you do that is whatever tab you're ready to add to a group, you right click on it. You'll go add tab to group, and then you're going to hit new group. Okay, and you can name this group whatever you want. So maybe I'll name this group learning, right? Because I'm using it for educational purposes. And then you can color code it however you want. So you can make it whatever color works best for you. I'm going to hit green because green is my favorite. Okay, and then you have that tab added to a group. Now let's say I'm doing like library databases. Maybe I'm on the library databases because I'm doing research for a class and I want to add that to my learning group. So a couple ways that you can do it. First of all, you can just click it. You can drag it over until it becomes part of that green color. You see how the green kind of surrounded that tab. So then it would be automatically added to the group. Or the other way that you can do it is you can just right click on the tab, you hit add tab to group, and then you would hit learning and it'll pop it over with that tab. Now, the reason that I love these tabs is because you can actually click on the tab like learning and it'll collapse all of the tabs that are under that learning group, which is so great because this is how it really helps to reduce clutter when you're working with a lot of tabs all at once. And you can just group them based on whatever it is that you're doing with them. So you can create as many tabs as you want. You just add a new group every time you want to create a new tab. And I'll actually show you my regular working page. I have it pulled up here. So this is like what my regular working page looks like. So I've got like my daily work, my calendars, book checkouts, Chromebook stuff, book orders, book labels, and then my education class. And underneath each of these tabs, you're going to see I have numerous different tabs. So I can click and open them, and you'll see I've got a lot of stuff kind of going on any given day. So it's just a really nice way so that I can actually see the tabs that I'm working with, and then I can collapse them when I'm not using them just to kind of clear up my space. And again, since I have that setting turned on, every time I open Google Chrome, it automatically opens all of these tabs in all of the groups that I've already created. So every time that I shut down my computer and I restart it, I don't lose all of the groups that I created. Hopefully some of you will find this helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me, nberg@ognites.org. Thanks for watching.